Hey everyone, this is Nishita and welcome to the Regulatory Roundup. Today, we have got an important update for anyone involved with steel wire ropes in India. Starting December 1st, 2024, the Bureau of Indian Standard BIS is making the new rule IS 2266-2019 mandatory for all steel wire ropes used in general engineering. It's not just a rule, it's a step towards better quality, safety, and consistency in industry. BIS ensures products meet high safety and quality standards, especially important in industries like constructions and manufacturing. If you are a manufacturer or use steel wire ropes, now is the time to get fully compliant before the deadline. Stay tuned for more updates on key regulations, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.